Sales Central is a web-based order management system for Dynamics SL that allows you to manage your customers, manage your orders, allow your sales reps to work anywhere they want. It has real-time integration with Dynamics SL and works on any web-based browser, whether it be PC, laptop, tablet, iPad, or other device. In this example, I have a customer who has called me on the phone and wants to place an order. I will ask information from them and then, using Sales Central, find that customer in the Dynamics SL customer database. Sales Central allows you to search for customers in your system by simply clicking on the search button and then filtering which customers you want. The filter can be configured to allow any field in the customer record as well as custom table fields. You can also search against one or more fields and it'll do a partial word search. In this example, we're going to pull back all customer records with a C in the customer ID. Next, let's search for all customers in the city of Findlay. The customer finally gave me his first name, and it was Randy, so let's search for that. Once we have found the customer we want to work with, we can choose it, and it will pull it up on the main screen. Sales Central can be configured to allow your users to manage customers. This is a security setting where you can set certain users to be able to add or edit customer records. In this example, I have logged in as a user who has access to edit a customer. Let's go ahead and edit our customer, Randy Reeves. First, click on the Edit button to edit that customer. Once you do this, all the customer information will be retrieved by Sales Central, and then you can edit it. You can see address information on the left, and then other customer information on the right. Any information stored in the customer record can be retrieved and edited. With configuration, Sales Central can also manage custom tables. In Sales Central, we have separated customer information logically using tabs. These tabs can be reconfigured and the entire system can be changed to look the way you want. In the base system, we have customer information separated into 4 tabs. They include customer information, user fields, ship to address, and customer contacts. When working with general customer information, we are showing the most common fields for a customer. Any customer field can be hidden or shown. The second tab contains user fields. In this example, you can see that we've hidden several of the user fields and renamed others. When managing a customer's ship to address, you can edit an existing address or delete one, add a new address, and as with all Sales Central screens, they can be customized to show any available field. You can also configure it to connect to custom tables. When managing customer contacts, you can modify existing contacts as well as add new contacts. When you're done working on the customer, simply press the Save button and all changes will be automatically committed to Dynamics SL. Now let's search for orders. Searching for orders is very simple and highly customizable. Sales Central can be configured to search against any field in the sales order as well as custom tables. Since we're already looking at our customer Randy, the system will automatically use the customer ID C300 as a filter. Let's go ahead and search. In our example, we have configured Sales Central to be able to search against order number, PO number, and a date range. Any combination of filters can be used in the search, and partial word searches are also used. Let's first search for all orders for the customer ID C300 for the date range of 4/1/2010 through 4/27/2010. This brought back all orders for this customer for that date range. Now let's see what happens when we search for a particular order. As you can see, this brought back the specific order we were looking for. Now that we found the order, let's choose it so that we can load it into Sales Central. Sales Central allows a user to view orders in a reference mode. This gives them the opportunity to view an order quickly to determine status. The screen is divided into 2 hemispheres. On the left is the billing and shipping address, and on the right is the rest of the sales order information. The right side of the screen is further divided. First is the general order header information. This area contains the most commonly used sales order header fields. This is fully configurable to hide or display any field in the sales order header record as well as any custom table. This section will also show any credit cards that have been captured against the order. Below that is a section that is divided into a series of tabs. First, the order line items. Next, any miscellaneous charges against the order. Then the order header notes. And then an Other tab, which is a catch-all that contains any user and custom fields that aren't important enough to show or place on the main screen. Below that we have shippers. Clicking on a shipper will then show you all the line items for that shipper. You can also view any payments made against the order. And then event history. This will show you all events that have occurred to the order since it was created. Finally, you have the totals section. That allows you to see all order totals. Sales Central allows you to edit existing orders if they haven't shipped. You can also create new orders. In this example, Randy Reeves wants to create an order with us. Clicking on the New Order button while viewing a customer, in this case customer ID C300, will allow you to create an order for that customer. Now I'm in a blank order for the customer. You'll notice that many fields will be preset with the customer defaults. I can then override certain things. These could include freight terms, payment terms, and I can also set ship via. I can also change the default order type to the type I need. In this case, I'll do a sales order, but I could choose quote, RMA, or any order type that you want to make available to Sales Central. A list of available order types is configurable so that you can expose only the order types that make sense to your Sales Central users. The fields that we're currently showing here on this screen aren't the only fields that are available to you in Sales Central. Sales Central is customizable to be able to allow any order header field in Dynamics SL or custom table. Sales Central also has many time-saving methods. One such time saver is quick entry. This allows the user to enter up to 15 items at a time very quickly. In this example, Randy faxed in 2 items that he wanted to order. We'll enter those. Oops, I entered one of them wrong. The system will notify which one is wrong and save all that are valid. I then have the opportunity to correct my mistake. When I'm done with my quick entries, we can now see that 2 valid order items have been added to my order. I can also enter items individually by doing a lookup. Sales Central can also be set up to search against custom table fields as well. Sales Central has a configurable search that allows you to set it up to search by different inventory fields. In our example here, we have configured it to search against inventory ID and product description. Partial word searches also work in the search. I'm going to go ahead and pull back all items with a 0 in its inventory ID. Once I've found my item, I can then choose it. We can then fill out several key line item fields. In this example, we have Sales Central configured to handle inventory ID, quantity, request date, and price. This is completely configurable, and Sales Central can capture any order line item field or custom table field you need. Let's now go ahead and add some miscellaneous charges. Let's charge Randy a restocking fee. Let's charge him $20 and then enter in some notes to declare why. We can also include a miscellaneous charge with a negative amount. This is handy if you want to create a customer discount, rebate, or refund. Miscellaneous charges are then reflected in the totals. Once we've completed our order, we can then save it. It will, in real time, create a sales order in Dynamics SL and maintain any business rules tied to the order type you've chosen. Dynamics SL will then in turn return any defaults and an order number. Once an order is created or changed in Sales Central, it is immediately updated in Dynamics SL. Going to the order management screen, we can see the order we just created. Randy just called in and wanted to make a change to his order. I'm going to make the change directly into the Dynamics SL order management screen. He wanted us to up 2 of the products to 1 more unit each. Randy also wanted us to rush order 1 of the line items and have it sent directly to him, so we'll make a note on that line item. Now let's save the order to see immediate change in Sales Central. After you've made changes to an order in Dynamics SL, Those changes are automatically seen in Sales Central. All changes happen immediately in real time. Let's search and pull back the order that was just updated in Dynamics SL into Sales Central. You can see that the quantities now reflect the changes that just happened in Dynamics SL. You can see the new line item note by hovering over the note icon for that line. If we go and edit the order, we can see the changes as well. Here you see the line item detail and how it's been changed. As you can see, Sales Central is a robust order management screen for Dynamics SL. Because it is 100% web-based, it allows your sales reps to support their customers from anywhere. Sales Central is built from the ground up on .NET technology and is highly customizable to suit your business needs. You can get more information about Sales Central and Catalina Technology's other products at www.catalinatechnology.com. If you would like to have a more in-depth demonstration, please email sales@catalinatechnology.com.